So, have you ever wondered how a giant tree grows from one tiny seed?
Believe it or not, that little seed holds the complete blueprint for a brand new plant.
It's literally how a plant reproduces, and it's perfectly designed to survive.
Yeah, think of it like a survival kit, packed with everything it needs for the journey.
So, if we look inside, there are three key parts that make it all work.
All right, let's break down this little survival kit, piece by piece.
First up, the seed coat. It's like the seed's armor, protecting what's inside.
Then there's the embryo. That's the actual baby plant, just waiting to grow.
And of course, it needs food. That's the cotyledon, its own packed lunch. Okay, so seeds aren't all the same. They're actually classified by their seed leaves.
Yeah, whether a plant has one or two of those cotyledons makes a huge difference.
And you can see that structural difference right here. It's pretty fascinating.
So how does this all start? Well, it's a process called germination. You can think of it as the seed's big wake-up call, triggered by the environment.
It just needs the right mix of water, air, and warmth to get going.
Germination happens in three main stages, and it all starts with soaking up water. You can see it here. The root pushes down, and the shoot reaches for the light. But wait, before it can even sprout, a seed often has to travel.
This is super important for survival, helping plants find new places to live.
And wow, plants have come up with some amazing ways to get their seeds out there.
Some, like dandelions, have little parachutes to catch a ride on the wind.
Others are natural sailors, using water like a highway to find new land.
And then there are the hitchhikers, using animals by being tasty or just sticky.
So really, a seed is just this incredible little piece of natural engineering.
Next time you see a tiny seed, just think about the incredible journey it has ahead.